Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Your device is updated and you're signed into Apple ID. Once done, open the News app and go straight to Following. This is where you shape what appears. Tap Topics, Channels, or Favorites to add interests. Pick a few to give the feed signal. Make sure to enable notifications if you want breaking alerts. This quick first pass sets the algorithm's starting point, so the app learns your preferences faster. Now, you'll refine the mix by actively interacting with content. Scroll for you and tap the heart or the dislike button to teach the app what you prefer versus what you don't. Once you follow channels and topics, use the save and share options to retain or distribute articles. Make sure to visit the News Plus if subscribed. It provides premium publications. By repeating these actions over a few days, the feed's relevance improves dramatically. To finish, clean up your setup. Review save stories, manage subscriptions, and trim followed topics to avoid noise. If the feed seems stale, pull down to refresh and wait a minute for new content. If nothing changes, go to Settings, toggle News off and on, or sign out and back into your Apple ID. These steps resynchronize preferences. And if issues persist, restart the device. That often clears caches and restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.